Get ready! Your new BigID University experience is coming soon. We're bringing you a new learning experience with a redesigned curriculum to be more interactive and hands-on than ever before. Curated learning paths are designed for your role or target outcome. And our self-paced learning experiences will be localized so that you can consume the content and learn in your preferred language. Do you prefer live instructor-led training classes? Well, we've got that too, with both public and private options available. No matter what style of learning you prefer, you can work to complete your training, get certified, and progress in your career. Anytime, anywhere, at your own pace. And who says learning can't be fun? Now you'll be able to join seasonal challenges and compete with your peers on the leaderboard to be eligible to earn prizes and to connect and share your expertise with the broader BigID community. So jump in and join us to experience all the latest learning opportunities that BigID University is building for you.